engineering and physics, led the Sapphire project that studies the electrical sun. Both claim that the sun is not a ball of hydrogen fused in space and that heat is not released by the sun, but is generated by electromagnetic waves that hit the mesosphere, the stratosphere and finally the troposphere. The engineer and satellite telecommunications expert Jose Alfonso Hernando Abajón, it also states that the sun is cold and that heat is generated by electromagnetic waves that vibrate in the atmosphere. One proof that the sun is cold and does not radiate heat is that the closer we get into the atmosphere and we get closer to the sun, the colder it gets. Airplanes at 10,000 feet register temperatures of -5 degrees Celsius outside. If the sun were hot, the water would not freeze at a height of 30 kilometers. Experiments with weather balloons show that transported water containers at high altitudes, they return to Earth completely frozen. Above 10,000 feet, the temperature drops drastically, so if the sun radiated heat, we would grill inside airplanes. The sky is cold like the sun. The sun is a great source of energy and its surface is not as hot as official science indicates. The electromagnetic waves that produce light, heat and radiation are generated from an electrical source and continuous electrical processes. Electricity is the only source that could define the entire existence of the sun and the universe. The visible spectrum, or simply visible light, is only a small part of the entire spectrum of possible electromagnetic radiation, ranging from radio waves to gamma rays. Sunspots are electromagnetic vortices in their natural flow of energy. The sun has a powerful electromagnetic force that works interactively with the dome Earth sky system. The heat produced by the electromagnetic waves of the sun heats the water of the sea and rivers, heats and expands the air, produces breezes, winds and hurricanes. Its heat evaporates the water. The vapor, which is lighter, concentrates in the atmosphere, forming the clouds that float in the skies. Therefore, the sun plays a fundamental role in the climatic effects of the Earth and systematically influences the cycles of rain, winds and storms. The sun causes magnetic paths or fluxes as it travels on Earth, where hurricanes, tidal waves and earthquakes originate. This is because water is naturally diamagnetic, that is, water repels a magnetic field when faced with this force. This water repellent effect explains the tides in Earth's oceans. The sun implies a positive electromagnetic energy that causes low tide and the moon implies a negative electromagnetic energy that causes high tide. Sea salt increases the ability of water to produce electricity. The sun's interaction with seawater acts as a great power plant. About 71% of the Earth's surface is made up of water. Therefore, the electromagnetic properties of the sun and the moon act like two giant magnets, altering their water level up to 17 meters above the sea surface.